Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Bismillah Creative and my Facebook profile. In today's video, we will learn how to add a powerful AI Claude to our WordPress website for free. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share it. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are watching on Facebook, please follow my profile. If you have any trouble understanding any part of the video, please leave a comment and I will address the issue. Also, do let me know what you thought of the video and how to build our WordPress website using AI. Without further ado, let's start the video.
So first of all, you have to go our Chrome browser. So then we will type download Claude for Windows. So first of all, we have to download Claude AI apps for our desktop. So then click on it. After that, you have to hit just Windows download for Windows, this button. Then it will download and just click on it, next and next, then it will successfully install. So I have already colored on my desktop, so I have not required. So you have to need this. For this you have to download and install this AI. After that we have to go one more tab and go to Nova Mira AI, Nova Miracle WordPress Access AI agent. So click on first link, then we will see this is a free plugin for WordPress. So just download for free, click on this and download zip file. I already download it, so I no need this. So if you have need, just click on download zip, it will download. So right now we have to go our website. So my website URL is Purana. Okay, this is my subdomain. I will use this for this tutorial. So Rana Vapore rbismillahcreative.com. So this is my website URL. Just hit on enter button. So you can see this is our dashboard. So you have to first time you will try to log in your WordPress website or WordPress dashboard. So for this you can see same like dialog box. So you have to input your user and password. It's already there, so I have to logged in. Then we will go our WordPress dashboard. So it is fine. So now my website look. So so now my website look something like that. This is a basic theme I use. So now I have to change our main theme. So go to appearance, then themes. I prefer that use Hello Elementor. So active this theme. This theme is activated. Now I see my website fonting look. So refresh the page. So now this is Bilansarana and this. So we have to add some plugin. There is a suggested plugin Elementor. So I have to install it. Just click on install button. This is already activated, so we have to add one more plugin. So add plugin, then upload plugin, then choose file. So last time we download this plugin Nova Mira 1.9.2. so we have to install this. Just select this file and install now. Okay, successfully install this plugin. Now click on activate this plugin. Nice, we successfully install Nova Mira plugin for our website. So now we have to configure this Nova Mira. We can see there is Nova Mira, so we have to click on configure. So there is a two way we can connect our Claude with WordPress. So there is a recommended way. This is easy, and another is generate password. It's and edit JSON code. So it's very hassle. So I prefer that we will connect with this. So click on it. Right now we able to connect Claude Code, Claude Desktop, Claude AI, ChatGPT, Codex, etc. There is a lot of AI. So right now we have to connect this Claude with desktop. So for this, select this and copy this name and copy this URL. After that, we will go our Claude apps, then click on it, and you have to go their profile icon and go to setting. We have to go connects. Then we can see there is a add connects, add custom connector. Right now we have to add our name. So this is our name. Also this is our remote MCP server URL. So this is our MCP server URL. Then click add. So it will add. Now I have to click on connect. Click on connect, and we can see there is a Windows. Just click on authorize. I already logged in on it, so you have required this logged in your WordPress dashboard in other case of. So you have to uh, paste your URL and paste your username and password. Then you can log in your admin dashboard. Then just click on authorize. It takes some time, and we will open the open desktop app. So we will check its work or not. For this we have to close this. Already we can see it's connected, and close this, also close this. Now we will reopen our Claude apps. Then we can see, go to setting and connectors. Wow, this is a tick mark. We will successfully connected our WordPress and Claude AI. So this is too easy, and now we can edit using this. Now we can check it is working properly or not. So I ask the Claude Code, is it connect? Connect our WordPress site, WordPress WordPress site. So just asked, and it is testing it works properly or not. So we have to I have to select allow. Oh yes, your WordPress site is connected with running Claude Nova Mira MCP connectors. So WordPress 7.0 PHP version this এবং and Activator plugin Elementor, Novamira, and also active Hello theme. This is I already use it, so we have to connect successfully to our WordPress website and Claude. So next tutorial I will show you how to edit this using Claude AI. So it's easiest way to connect your MC server Claude code with WordPress website. So no more today. Thanks for the watching this video. If you want to get more tips and tricks for this, follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also share this video with your friends to learn and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.